Hey beauties, here's an easy tutorial on how to do sugar skull. I'm starting off by applying white face paint all over my face. I'm then drawing circles around both eyes. I'm choosing this magenta colored eyeshadow and filling in the circles that I just drew around my eyes. And I already did my winged eyeliner prior to recording this video. Now I'm choosing a light shimmery pink and putting that on top of my eyelids. Now it's time to put embellishments around the circles. I'm drawing half circles similar to flowers. I'm choosing this bright blue eyeshadow to fill in those half circles that I just drew. I'm going in to put lines in between those half circles. And I'm using black face paint for this. Now onto the nose. The only way I can describe the shape is that it's the shape of flames. Putting on some lip gloss. Now it's time to do the mouth. Drawing a line from each corner. And this does not have to be perfect because we will be going in with some eyeshadow to contour. I'm choosing this black eyeshadow. We're doing some shadowing right above the lines that we just drew. And then I'll be taking the same magenta shade that I did on my eyes and going underneath that. Kind of blending it up towards my cheekbone. Here I wanted to do something different than the normal straight lines. So I'm doing these chevron, is that what you call it? Chevron arrows? I don't know, but I think it looks cute. Now on to the lips to draw in the teeth. And this is the trickiest part because I had a hard time doing very thin lines, so I kind of went over all of them to make them a little bit thicker. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more. Bye!